All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Palantir stock because sellers came through, I would say the last 2 or 3 days and hit the price in Palantir. So I wanted to talk to you all to see if the market's going to have enough momentum to come up here to our ultimate TP price. If not, hey, we already knew what could be the cause and the reason why it didn't happen. You guys can see here it is right here. Okay, we talked about it. Sellers are in this area. They have increased their selling to where the buyers are retreating and the market is going down. So I'm going to try to break it down as to what I think the market's about to do next in Palantir. Before I do, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys tap that bell notification for more of my information and content. So now, here it is. Did you take some profit off the table in Palantir? If so, congratulations and kudos, right? 13.72% on the high in March 25th, 3 days ago. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 days ago. Let's pull this back. Let us also get rid of this sell pocket right here in Palantir. And the question is, do we continue to look forward for price to go up or down? Let's look at the market in Palantir real quick on the hourly chart. Here it is on the 5-hour. This is a problem for me right here. This kind of lets me know, well, we might want to take the bag. That 5-hour bar, because those sellers really came through and performed. They did an outstanding job at keeping these buyers away from $100. So now the buyers are trying to recover and trying to say, all right, cool, that was a good hit. Let me see if I can get my stamina, my coordination back and see if I can grab control of the ball and move it back up the field. That's what we're seeing right now on the 5-hour. Here it is on the 3. Okay, a little bit cleaner, same thing. These sellers really came through and Palantir puts the price down. So if we see the sellers winning at that pocket, for us to get confirmation that buyers are still here and that they're going to try to hit that pocket again a second time, we need to see a pocket or an area that we don't want to see the buyers relinquish or give up control, right? So here it is. Let's zoom in and see if we can try to find it. And it looked like it's right there. Okay. And take a look. The sellers actually were able to breach this pocket of buying. So maybe that's not a valid pocket. Should be right here then. Okay. That would be the area. Okay. Let's look at this on the 330. Yeah, that's even worse. I don't like that. Look at that on the 330. So the same people who sold here on these 330-minute price bars, guess what? They were right there too. Right there on the 24th of February. They are the ones who first caused Palantir to dip and go all the way down to like 75 bones. And now they're like, price is back again. Let me take some more of my position off so I can get more of my profit. That's what's going on. Okay, so yeah, we may see price in Palantir lift, but it looked like it was a pretty big hit on these sellers as price in Palantir was hitting 96 bucks. So what I'm saying is that I wouldn't be surprised to see these buyers try to bring up price maybe around $93, $94 and then see another reaction back down. They might have enough juice to bring it all the way back up to the pocket to 96, and then we may see price go back down. Okay. Let's look at this on the 2. Palantir on the 3. Oh yeah, you can see how the market concluded on 3 right there on that bar. What about on the 4? And a 5 weekly. So yeah, the market looks pretty bullish still on the 5, the weekly, a little bit on the 2 and the 3. So yeah, in this situation, what I would do is definitely come through and take some off the table. 6.23%. Take that because it looks uncertain as to whether or not those buyers really want the market right now. It's uncertain, but I'm not giving up on them. So I'm not going to completely get rid of this price prediction, but they definitely took a hit the last couple of days as they was able to bring price to this pocket. They took a big hit. So now I'm just going to spectate and look at them to see if, I would say today, even in Friday, see if they're still here. Because if they're hugging this pocket, then the market is still bullish. Okay, so I'm just going to give you that right now. If you see the market in Palantir today and tomorrow hug this sell pocket like it doesn't want to go down, that's telling you that these buyers still want the market to go up. But just like on this bar, the quick reaction, if we get another one in Palantir, that's telling you that these sellers really want the market to go down. All right, so that's what I'm be on the lookout for. I'm not going to change it yet, but I'm just saying that that's what I'm surveilling and paying attention to. All right, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.